Welcome to our exciting exploration of prehistoric animals featured in Panini Collectibles. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of these unique trading cards that showcase some of the most incredible creatures to have ever roamed the earth. From towering dinosaurs to ancient marine reptiles, each collectible offers a glimpse into a time long gone. We'll discuss the artistry behind these cards, the scientific accuracy they strive for, and how they help us connect with our planet's distant past. Collecting these cards isn't just a hobby, it's a way to engage with history and spark curiosity about prehistoric life. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about these magnificent beasts, stick around as we uncover the wonders of Panini's prehistoric animals. What are Panini prehistoric animals? Panini prehistoric animals are a captivating series of collectible trading cards that feature detailed illustrations of various prehistoric creatures, primarily dinosaurs and other ancient life forms. These cards play a significant role in the world of collectibles, combining art, education, and nostalgia. Each card showcases stunning artistic representations that bring these long-extinct animals to life, often accompanied by fascinating facts about their habitats and behaviors. The appeal of Panini prehistoric animals transcends age, attracting both children who are eager to learn about the past and adults who cherish the thrill of collecting. These cards not only serve as a fun pastime, but also foster a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life that once existed on our planet, making them a valuable addition to any collection. Popular Panini prehistoric animal collectibles. Among the most sought-after Panini prehistoric animal collectibles are cards featuring the iconic Tyrannosaurus Rex, the majestic Triceratops, and the swift Velociraptor. The T-Rex card is particularly popular due to its fierce reputation and massive size, making it a favorite among collectors. Triceratops, with its distinctive three-horned face, is another beloved choice, often celebrated for its unique defense mechanisms. Velociraptors, known for their intelligence and agility, add an element of intrigue to any collection. The rarity of certain cards can significantly increase their market value, with limited editions fetching impressive prices. For instance, a rare T-Rex card can be worth hundreds of dollars. Each card not only represents a prehistoric creature, but also comes with fascinating facts, such as the Triceratops' herbivorous diet and the Velociraptor's pack-hunting behavior, enriching the collector's experience. The educational value of collecting. Collecting Panini prehistoric animals offers a unique opportunity to learn about prehistoric life and the process of evolution. Each card serves as a mini-lesson, providing insights into the characteristics, habitats, and behaviors of ancient creatures. By engaging with these collectibles, enthusiasts can develop a deeper understanding of how life on Earth has changed over millions of years. This hands-on approach to learning makes history more accessible and exciting, especially for younger audiences. Additionally, collecting fosters curiosity, encouraging individuals to seek out further educational resources, such as books, documentaries, and museum exhibits related to prehistoric animals. By exploring these resources, collectors can enhance their knowledge and appreciation of the fascinating world that existed long before us, making the journey of discovery both enjoyable and enriching. How to start your collection. Starting your collection of Panini prehistoric animals can be an exciting adventure. Begin by exploring local hobby shops, online marketplaces, and trading card conventions, where you can find a variety of collectibles. Websites like eBay and dedicated collector forums are also great places to discover rare cards. When building your collection, pay close attention to the condition of each card, as well-preserved items are often more valuable. Rarity plays a significant role in determining a card's worth, so keep an eye out for limited editions or hard-to-find pieces. Additionally, Connecting with other collectors can enhance your experience. Join online communities or local clubs to share tips, trade cards, and learn from fellow enthusiasts. Engaging with others can provide valuable insights and help you grow your collection more effectively. Happy collecting. In summary, Panini Prehistoric Animals hold a special place in the world of collectibles, offering both educational and entertainment value. These trading cards not only showcase stunning artistic representations of ancient creatures, but also provide fascinating insights into prehistoric life and evolution. Collecting these cards can spark curiosity and encourage deeper exploration of history, making it a rewarding hobby for enthusiasts of all ages. As we've discussed, the rarity and condition of these collectibles can significantly impact their value, adding an exciting layer to the collecting experience. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Panini Prehistoric Animals, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video for more engaging content. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of our planet's past and the treasures it holds.